Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you back here on another one of our EV charger rebate quick takes, where we're talking about the different incentives, rebates, and programs available to help you maximize your ROI on commercial EV charging through rebates and incentives, right? Help drive that initial cost down, and in some cases, even your operating costs down. So, welcome back. I'm Tony Booth here bringing you this information along with Stay in Charge. We are working today we're actually going to cover 3 states today because these are smaller programs, don't take long to cover, and I don't want to have a little blip. I can't get them in the right spots with just a little blip. So we're going to cover Minnesota, Mississippi, and Missouri today. So any of those 3, hang in there with me and we're going to get to you. We're going to start with Minnesota. So in Minnesota, there are not any state programs. So there's nothing out there from the state. And then there are multiple power companies. If you're in Minnesota, you have a lot of, Minnesota is one of those states with a lot of co-ops and just power companies all over the place, a whole bunch of them. And I don't know every power company in Minnesota, so I don't know if everyone has one, but I know in the resources we have, it looked like a lot of them did. So they have programs ranging from $250 to $2,500 per charger. There are a couple out there that actually will say they'll pay for the cost of the charger, and that's their program. So in those programs like that, when they say they'll pay for the cost of the charger, we always recommend you look close and see if that might include some of the software and maintenance, because we can sell like a bundled, some places like that, we can sell a bundled charger. So we might sell a charger that's bundled with the software for 5 years, everything all rolled into one, and then the power company will pay that cost back. So take a look at that if you're in there. Every one of those, I'd recommend you go directly to the power company, find out what they got, talk to them, apply to them, or get with your service provider to do that for you. Make sure you're covered. That's all for Minnesota on the level 2 side. Not much more on the DC fast charging side. Basically, most of the power companies that were listed on the L2 side, a lot of them drop out on the DC side. They don't say that they offer, but then there's quite a few still out there that do show up, and they're doing basically the same type of thing from $500 to $2,250, other than a couple unique ones there. So Dakota Power, whatever their thing was, they have a custom rebate. Doesn't really say exactly what they'll give you. So if you're in their co-op or their program, you might want to reach out to them. If you're looking at DC charging, it just said custom, so that might mean anything, right? The next was Red Lake. Red Lake would pay for the charger. So again, that's one of those ones that maybe you pick up the cost of the charger, and it covers even some software and things like that. And that's it for Minnesota. So we're moving on next to Mississippi. Mississippi, again, as we mentioned in the beginning, there's not a whole lot of programs out there in Mississippi. So from a state level, on your level 2, there is nothing. There's nothing available there. There's really nothing to look at. On the power company level, though, you do have a couple options. So Entergy has a $250 rebate program. Pretty easy program. You send in your receipts, you send in proof of purchase, you send in a picture, a couple things like that after you get them installed, and they'll give you $250 back. Mississippi Power is a little bit more forthcoming with some money here for you. They've got $2,000 per charger. Again, pretty easy program. It's a little form you fill out, give them proof of purchase, show them pictures of the chargers installed. Most of the time, it's best to take a picture of the serial numbers and things like that. Submit that in, and they will give you a $2,000 rebate. So decent program there. We've got some people we've talked to in Mississippi Power. It moves the needle, right? $2,000. That is going to cover four grand for 2 chargers, that's going to cover more than just my chargers. So got a little bit of money to go towards the make ready in that instance, or vice versa, right? 4,000 may not cover your make ready all the way for 2 chargers, but it comes close. So decent program there in Mississippi. And on the DC charging side in Mississippi, the only thing is Entergy has a $1,500 rebate for DC fast charging. So really not much there. Sorry guys out there that need to get those highway chargers installed. You don't have a lot to work on there in the state of Mississippi. So that's all for Mississippi. Again, a good state for level 2 if you're with Mississippi Power. If you're not with Mississippi Power, not quite as good. But still, obviously, anytime we can get some money, it's worth it. So that is it for Mississippi. We'll move along now and let me cover Missouri. Missouri on a state level, similar to the first 2 we have here, there is nothing on a state level, no programs on a state level. So we're now down into relying on the power companies to see what's available there. In Missouri, the 2 larger power companies, Evergy and Ameren, Ameren had a program that they discontinued at the end of last year. They did tell us that if they got funding, they were going to reopen it, but they weren't very optimistic that they were going to get any funding. So I wouldn't, if you're an Ameren customer, and you need EV charging, I wouldn't wait for them to bring some funding back. Don't think they're going to do it, but they might. Evergy, though, does have a program. So if you're on the Evergy power company, if they're your power company, they have a $2,500 per charger program. You do have to pre-apply for that. So make sure you reach out to them ahead of time. There's an application process. Your provider can do that for you, or you can do it depending on, your provider, whether they do that service for you or not, but they'll get it submitted. It's a pretty quick application process. It's pretty simple. They just approve it. They will probably do a little bit of site assessment at some point. So you may run into a scenario that they need to upgrade a transformer or something like that. Typically Evergy covers that cost, but from a rebate standpoint, they will give you the $2,500 and it goes to overall project cost. It's not segregated into anything. So a couple chargers, good money, right? That's $5 grand on 2 chargers. That more than covers the cost of the chargers, starts to pay for some of the make ready. Good program there. Outside of that, there are a few other power companies throughout Missouri that have some programs that run from like $250 to $300 per charger. So going to get you a little bit back, but not a whole lot. Onto the DC fast charging side in Missouri. So in Missouri, on the fast charging side, you really don't have much available unless you are with Evergy. So again, Evergy in Missouri, they've got a program. It's $20,000 per port. It does require a pre-application, obviously. And I will say this for, Evergy's pretty good to work with. They will often cover, they're willing to invest on their infrastructure side. So if you're looking at a property and, you got to bring power to it, it may have to come from your closest transformer or your closest connection point might be a ways away. Evergy's pretty good about doing that part for you and letting you carry it from maybe a transformer pad, something like that on. So that does help. You're not paying a big fee into the power company there. And the $20,000, it's good, right? It's a good chunk of money towards the cost of your infrastructure or your charger or whichever one you look at it. If you think about it, two chargers at a location, you're getting 40,000. If those 2 chargers are, if the total all in is, 200 grand on that, then, you're getting 40 back. Put the 30C in there, and maybe you're getting 50% off, so that's not bad. It's definitely worth looking. If I could save 50% on a investment into something that's going to generate revenue for me and bring customers in, definitely something worth looking at in the state of Missouri if you are on Evergy. Outside of Evergy, there are no other incentives that we're aware of for the DC fast charging side. So that's it for the state of Missouri. And tune into the next one. Find your state. If you're not sure, real quick note: if you don't see your state yet, don't worry, they're coming. I'm going through them, and then sometimes things change. We'll pull one off the rotation and until we get a new one put out. But just check your state, search it. You can find them obviously in our YouTube channel, everywhere else that we post them. You'll find these things, and just look for your state and find out what's available where you are. And see you later. Thanks for tuning in.